Hey, so if you're trying to manage projects without complicated tools, Google Calendar can actually work surprisingly well. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Google Calendar for project management step by step. All right, first, create a separate calendar just for your project so everything stays organized. Give your calendar a clear name like Website Launch Project or Marketing Plan so it's easy to identify. Now start adding tasks as events, like research, design, or deadlines for deliverables. Use different colors for different types of tasks, like planning, execution, and review stages. Make sure every task has a deadline and add reminders so nothing gets missed. Instead of one big deadline, break your project into smaller milestones for better tracking. If you're working with others, share the calendar and set proper permissions for your team. Switch between weekly and monthly views to track progress and upcoming deadlines easily. Make sure your calendar sync is enabled so updates appear on all your devices instantly. And yeah, that's it. Once set up, Google Calendar becomes a simple but powerful project management tool that keeps everything on track.